my little guy. And there's my little guy's hair. Look at how long that hair is. All the way down. Give him a little haircut. Let me see. Smile. Look cute. Mohawk. No, alright, so let's go. Here, just move that. Move here. I just gotta rinse you off first, okay? This is gonna take a while doing this part, okay? Hang on. Sorry. You watch. It's gonna take a while to even comb your hair through first. Here you gotta just close your eyes and let me do the front, okay? You understand? Okay. Once I do the front layers, then I can move around to the side and you'll be able to see. This is the most important part though. This is straight. Nice. Boy, your hair is long. Long, long, long. Okay. It's gonna go all over you, so you have to understand that, okay? You understand? You want it much shorter or nice and long? I think nice and long, huh? Nice and long? Scoot? Okay. Up to you. Holy molar. Okay. Short people got. Super epic. Sepic. Sepic is super epic, you know. It's a roof. The roof is on fire.
Yeah.
Looking really good. I wonder, do we want to make time to add a chimney? Do we feel like this looks pretty good? We could probably add a very easy chimney right here, actually. But
you all right?
The fireplace would come down and be.
You right back there?
No. Be too bad, though. Now that I think about that, I think I'm actually going to add a chimney. This is the last thing that we can afford to build because literally time is running out as we speak. You guys ever seen the door-facing chimneys? They are super, super cool looking, but they are very hard to build, I believe, in real life as well as in Minecraft. But I'm going to do my best job to replicate a chimney by using upside-down stairs. Oh, goodness gracious. I have no idea if this is even going to look good. Oh, it's not looking good. It's taking up way too much space.
No, I have no idea what that is. Oh, I think Andy had them out. I don't know. Andy brought that outside with him, I think. Maybe.
We are going to be using a redstone dining table. So if you put it down this right above the redstone,
you okay?
You get this magnificent
you right, Scott?
Yeah.
Okay, we're almost done. Okay. He's good. His hair. He. You know what? Next time, when I do Gordon, he's gonna have a shower first.
When he was really old, he was like Justin Bieber.
Yeah. Who?
It was that guy.
I don't care. It's up there, but he's got to have. I can't do it with his.
The guy on TV.
Oh.
He looks like Justin Bieber.
All right, let's finish up here, honey. You look like Justin Bieber.
No, no.
No.
I know.
Let's hold on. Okay, Justin Timberlake. Sorry. You okay? You right, sweetie? Come on. You okay? You're trying to switch this already?
Yeah.
Why?
It's done.
Oh, okay. But it's going to be time for you to go upstairs. Hold on. Hold on. Sorry. Oh, gosh. Hold on. Look at me. Look. Okay. Yeah. Look straight at me. Look. Look, look, look. There's this.